Welcome back to Car Vibes. If you love classic cars reimagined with modern technology, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a car that brings nostalgia and innovation together in one breathtaking package. Buckle up, because this one is special. The first thing that grabs attention is the stunning front design. Volkswagen has stayed true to the classic Karmann Ghia's essence, but with a futuristic twist. The sleek LED headlights seamlessly blend into the sculpted hood, giving it a sharp yet elegant look. The iconic low-slung stance remains intact, enhanced by a wider grille that exudes a sporty, aerodynamic vibe. Chrome accents add just the right amount of retro charm while maintaining the sophistication of a modern Grand Tourer. Moving to the rear, the design is nothing short of spectacular. The taillights stretch seamlessly across the back, forming a sleek light bar that emphasizes width and stability. A subtle integrated spoiler enhances the aerodynamics without disrupting the car's timeless appeal. The Volkswagen emblem sits proudly at the center, glowing softly to signify the car's electric identity. Dual-tone paint options further highlight the sculpted rear fenders, making this car an absolute head-turner from every angle. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a perfect blend of classic and contemporary design. Premium leather upholstery meets minimalist digital controls, ensuring a luxurious yet driver-focused experience. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data with a customizable interface. A large touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, supporting the latest connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and the ergonomically designed seats offer supreme comfort, making every drive a pleasure. The inclusion of high-end materials like brushed aluminum and sustainable wood trims elevates the overall experience, while the panoramic sunroof brings in an airy, open feel. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, lies Volkswagen's cutting-edge electric powertrain. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is expected to feature a dual-motor setup, delivering around 300 horsepower and an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 5 seconds. With a range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge, it's not just about performance but also practicality. Fast charging capabilities ensure minimal downtime, while an advanced regenerative braking system enhances efficiency. The lightweight chassis, combined with precise handling, makes it an absolute joy to drive, whether you're cruising along coastal roads or tackling tight city streets. The adaptive suspension further improves ride quality, making it a perfect companion for long-distance journeys. Pricing for the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is expected to start around $55,000, putting it in direct competition with other high-end electric Grand. Given its heritage, design, and cutting-edge technology, this price tag seems justified for those looking for a blend of classic charm and modern performance. Volkswagen also plans to offer various trim levels and customization options, allowing buyers to personalize their ride to perfection. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. What do you think of this modern take on a legendary classic? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Car Vibes for more automotive content. Stay tuned for more car reviews, news, and comparisons. Until next time, drive safe and stay vibing.